Hi, good afternoon. This is Jay Lakhani. I'm the Chief Market Strategist at bindalFX. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be talking to you about the bindalFX price action trading. And this is in relation to the red news from the Fed in USA on the rate decision. And yesterday we had some amazing trading moves. And these are the sort of opportunities which I personally always wait for. And when such opportunities do come, no matter what, you simply have to pounce and pounce very hard, because such opportunities do not come daily. Last night, London time, I was really tired because the previous day I was out doing a live trading seminar for bindalFX traders. It started at 7 a.m. and ending at 5 p.m. So imagine standing there and talking for a long time. And also trading a real account really takes up so much of energy. But as I said earlier on, an opportunity comes and you simply have to pounce. Before I go on to the presentation, a quick risk warning that it should be understood currency involves high risk and you can lose a lot of money. To succeed in trading, you got to have a trading plan and you got to follow the trading plan with absolute discipline. If you don't do that, then obviously you will be slaughtered. As most broker websites show that majority of the retail investors lose money trading the markets. Okay, so let's move over onto the charts. And these are some of the trades which I had actually done, and I had actually shared it in my live trading broadcast with my members. One of the things that I always do is I coach and I train my members under live market conditions. So basically, as soon as the data is released, I often say to my members, is 15 minutes or so before the data is released, you should not be trading. And after the data is released, do not trade, because those trading is really for gamblers. Okay, what you really want to do is you want to basically analyze the markets, right? You need to do your analysis beforehand, i.e. what are the major supports, what are the major resistances, and follow simple strategy that after the news is released, what is the reaction? And if the reaction is for example, if the support is holding, and then you are looking to buy. If support is breaking, then you're looking to sell. If resistance has decisively broken, then you're looking to buy. As simple as that. There is no rocket science. So what you see here on the screen at the bottom, this is the Bindal momentum indicator. The long-term trend is up, which is green. And if we look at the chart here, this is for the US 30 Dow Jones, and I had quadruple bottoms there. Okay, so initial reaction is price crashes down, and as you can see, you got these tails here, which really is suggesting that the bulls are in control. The bears do not have control. So as soon as you see something like that, the straight away the focus is to be on the long side. And these are some of the trades which I had actually done during the session, and look at how I'm actually adding to my winners. Okay, I'm actually adding to the winners as I go along. Um, Here again is what you see is initially a move up and then coming down, and it then creates a 1 2 3. Basically, for a long 1 2 3 is simply a higher low, and I actually go on and take multiple positions. And I was telling to my traders that you simply need to go with the flow, and the momentum is up, so I'm actually buying. Okay, I'm actually buying, and as soon as I see a reversal sign, I should be looking to close. And I did see a reversal sign, and in this case here I had that double top. I had a break of the support trend line, and I entered here. Prices go down, I do bank my TP1, so it takes off some pressure. That is my stop loss, and that is my target. And then moving on is I added to my shorts again, right? And this was another lower high created, which is telling me that I really want to be on the short side. However, one of the things with trading is once you're in the trade, you need to manage the trade well. If the price is not doing what you expect it to do, then you simply need to get the hell out of it. You need to cut your losses, right? And you need to look at reversal strategy. So in this particular case, you can see I had drawn my trend lines. Okay, there was the first support, that was the second, this was the third. The support breaking, I do have a nice resistance. So if the resistance breaks, then you're looking to be buying. So in this particular case, I'd say to my members is that carry on with the shorts, but if this area breaks, you need to get out of your shorts, and then you need to be looking for longs. And guess what? That's exactly what happened, right? Basically, here you can see that mini resistance broke. I do have a bottom formation here. So I initially took one position here. Then this is the Bindal trigger line. So effectively, when it is green, I'm looking for longs. When it is red, I'm looking for shorts. As simple as that, right? And this is the ribbon. The ribbon had just turned from bearish to bullish, and I added one here. I added another position here, and you have got this mini double top which decisively broke. So you really need to stay in that trade. And then here, look what happens subsequently. The price shoots off, and here what you see, the horizontal lines are the unique proprietary Bindal pivot points. Here you got the aqua pivot, you got the yellow, you got the red pivot and the magenta, and the move was so strong and was really passing through all those pivot points. Nice support here at the aqua. The triple top broke, and even right up here, as soon as it gets past the magenta pivot, I am adding to my winners. Okay, now this is what retail traders don't do. What do? They add to the losers, right? Experienced professional traders, if the chart is not doing what you expect it to do, they get the hell out of it and they look for another opportunities. If the price is going in their favor, if the trend is strong, what do? They add to the winners. And I had said to my guys in the live trading room is, if this breaks, this is a 15-minute chart, if this breaks, expect the prices to go much higher. And this was a fantastic day trading the US 30 I was really tired, right? Knackered like hell. But you know what? When an opportunity comes like this, you need to pounce and pounce very hard. As simple as that. You can then have a lie in the next day and enjoy and relax. But you know what? This morning I was back at my trading desk at around 7 a.m. because I had a live trading webinar, right? I had lots of members waiting for me, looking for tutorials, looking for guidance, and 3 times a week in the morning, European Open, I do live trading. Okay, so they are basically able to see what I do, why I do, when I do. Okay, so that is the beauty of trading. Follow the system with discipline, have a trading plan, and if you follow the basic things of price action, buy at support, buy on the break of resistance, if the resistance holds and you got a reversal pattern, get the hell out of it. Yeah. I'm also the author of this ebook here, Develop a Winning Attitude. Feel free to download it, visit my website, and that is the link. As I say, it's completely free. You can download it, and I hope it will help you. What I discuss in this book is the trader psychology and mental fitness. In addition to that, I talk to you about the bindalFX way of trading. We look at scalping, we look at intraday, and we also look at swing trading. So if these are the areas you'd like to look into, then certainly feel free to download this free ebook, and I'm sure it will help you. Also, those of you who are interested in a one-to-one mentoring, currently I'm doing a 50% discount for the next 7 days. The cost of that is just 1,250. So what you get for this is a special one-to-one mentoring. You get the proprietary Bindle momentum indicators. You get daily live trading broadcasts. So we're actually telling you of the setups, i.e. before the big move occurs. You get invites to our live trading seminar. I just had one on Tuesday. We started at 7 in the morning till the European market close, and I'll be there on the stage showing you how to take real trades, a real account, and how effortless it can be. I guide you with trader psychology and mental fitness. We will have one-to-one conference calls, and I guide you with your trading journals. And as I say, this is a special offer. Normally it's 2,500, but just for 1 week, it's for 1,250 pounds. So what do you think of this video? Has it helped you in any way, i.e. how to trade at support going long, how to focus on price action trading? If it has, hey, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Do like it. If you feel any of your friends will benefit from this video, do share it. And yes, why don't you comment? What are you looking for in future? What sort of areas you need guidance? We do regular video tutorials, and they're all uploaded on YouTube and on social media completely free of charge. So what is it that you want me to guide you with? So feel free to leave a comment. Any positives will be great, or any other feedback, guidance you may want to give to us. Yes, I'm always open to listening to what traders out want to tell me. So do leave a comment, and yes, definitely visit our website www.forexmentor.net. Also, if you'd like to look at this book which I've authored, Forex Mastery, a Child's Play, it is available from Amazon. Feel free to buy it. That's all for me, guys. God bless and happy trading. Goodbye.